I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright, so let me down.
Hello my lovely people, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create 3 braided special occasion hairstyles that you can recreate in minutes. So we'll begin with our first hairstyle. We'll make our parting and divide all our hair into 2 equal sections. Then we want to grab a small section of hair from one side of our parting, divide it into 3 and begin a Dutch lace braid. So this means you divide your section into 3 and bring side strands under the middle one. Then before crossing, you want to add more hair to the middle strand from the front like I'm showing and bring these side strands under the middle one. So you grab a small section of hair, add to the middle strand and cross side strands under the middle one. So basically you want to continue these steps over and over again, making this loose Dutch lace braid. And then when you have no more hair to add, you want to finish with a simple 3-strand braid, tying the ends with a clear elastic. Make sure to pull apart your braid to make it fuller and voluminous looking, and repeat this braid on other side as well. So basically, again, you grab a small section of hair, divide it into 3 and cross a side strand under the middle one. Then you want to add hair to the middle strand from the front only and make this loose lace Dutch braid as well. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until you have no more hair to add. Finishing with a simple 3-strand braid, tie the ends with a clear elastic, loosen and pull apart a little bit your braid to make it fuller and voluminous looking. Then you want to kind of stick your braids to the scalp by pinning in place your braid using bobby pins. Now you want to grab these braids and bring them both together in the back and kind of sewing them with a bobby pin. You want to pin them both together like that, but make sure there are no bobby pins showing. About here, we will bring our braids together and we will take off our elastics and we will tie both together these braids. But on last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through like that, creating this bubble, and we want to wrap it kind of inside of our braids, creating this updo, and we'll pin it in place using how many bobby pins and grips we need. Also, if you feel that your braids are not very secure, make sure to use more bobby pins to fix it to the scalp. Also, you can use some hairspray to fix it, and yes, your wedding braided updo is ready. So second hairstyle will be even easier. So we'll grab our top section, divide it into 3 and cross side strands over the middle one. Then before crossing, you want to add more hair to the side strands over the middle one. So you want to continue these steps over and over again, continuing this simple French braid until you have no more hair to add. Then you want to finish with a simple 3-strand braid, tying the ends with a clear elastic. Make sure to loosen your braid to make it full and voluminous looking. Then you want to grab an elastic and tie it, creating this ponytail. This will be the base for our bun. Then we want to wrap our braid around the base of the ponytail and pin it in place using how many bobby pins you need. If you want, you can use some hairspray and leave the updo how it is, but I decided to add some fancy clips so my updo will look different. Tell me, you like it like that or without any clips? I'm really very curious. So for our third hairstyle, we want to make 3 equal ponytails. And then we want to make with them 3 simple 3-strand braids. Make sure to tie the ends using a clear elastic, of course, pull them apart and then you want to grab a side braid and wrap it over your braids like that, and under the last ponytail as I'm showing, making sure to pin it in place. If your hair is longer, make sure to wrap it several times around the ponytails. Then we want to grab our middle one and we will follow the steps and pin it in place, hiding the ends. And then we want to pin in place our third braid, making sure there are no gaps. We'll use some bobby pins to fix our bun in place. Use some hairspray if you need. And yes, you're done. I hope that you enjoyed this video so far, and these 3 super easy braided hairstyle for a special occasion. Please let me know in comments down below which one was your favorite, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. But guys, you know, I love you so much, and see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Bye!